Hey there, pioneers! In this video, I'm going to show you how to make rubber in Subnautica 2. Rubber in Subnautica 2 is quite an essential material you're going to need in the early game. To craft it, you're going to need 2 pieces of Lucifer rot sacks. Now, finding this material is quite easy. It's pretty much present anywhere in the starting area. Just choose a direction that you want. For me, I'm choosing north, and make your way forward. And just about immediately, I already see the rot sack. This right here is the Lucifer rot sack, this smooth ball in the middle of what looks like coral, and you can find loads of these scattered about in a given area. They don't just come as only being 2, but they can come as huge clusters as well. Now, because this is a rather important material, get as many as you can bring back home. Once you're back into your own habitat, simply just craft it, and now you have your very own rubber. This will help you in a way that you can now craft fins to make you swim faster, and even the standard air tank to give you more time to hold your breath. And that's about it on how to make rubber in Subnautica 2. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like or comment, and subscribe to the channel for more quick dive guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.